Bitcoin miner Bitfarms CEO resigns and is replaced by COO Emiliano Grodzki, the outgoing CEO, co-founded the Canadian company in 2017. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. Emiliano Grodzki, co-founder and CEO of Canadian Bitcoin miner Bitfarms, BITF, has resigned, effective immediately, according to a company statement on Thursday. President and Chief Operating Officer Jeffrey Morphy has been promoted as his replacement. The co-founder of the company in 2017 with Nicholas Bonta, Grodzki will remain as a director. Bonta will move from executive chairman to chairman of the board. In a little over 2 years, Jeff helped transform Bitfarms from a purely Canadian company trading on the TSX Venture Exchange with 5 farms in Quebec to an international powerhouse traded on both the Nasdaq and TSX with 10 operating farms in 4 countries driving over 4.4 exahash per second, A/S, today, Bonta said in the statement. Exahash is a measure of computing power. The valuations of Bitcoin miners have suffered with high energy costs and falling Bitcoin, BTC, prices. Sentiment in the sector was further shaken by the bankruptcies of Compute North and Core Scientific, CORZ, and the looming possibility of more companies filing for Chapter 11 protection like Greenidge Generation, GREE. Bitfarms hasn't been spared. Its stock is down 92% this year, and the company has a market cap of just $85 million. Bitfarms has been trying to reduce. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.